Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be no contact, no communication. What will be their next move or action? So we will see. You have specific someone in your life and you both are not talking. You don't know what is happening in their life and they don't know what is happening in your life. So you want to know what will be their next action towards you on or on what will be their next action towards you and this connection. Okay, so let us see. But before starting the reading, as usual, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me. And one more thing I want to say, please check my community section, and I am very active on that community section. I'll be posting polls, I will take the votes, then only I will do the reading. But I can see my notifications are not reaching to everybody. I have 826 subscribers, but views are very less. That means my notifications are not going to everybody. So I request you all to please press notification bell symbol, so that in that also you have to press all, so that you will get all my notifications regularly. Okay, and one more thing I started is I started helping everyone by giving you the tips and techniques, like just now I posted money mantra, like saint expedite prayer, whatever is the urgent wish you can manifest, the affirmations, or many ideas which I followed in my life which worked with me. I am trying to help others also. I'll be putting in shorts, but if you want a detailed reading, please comment in the comment section. I can give you all the tips for the attracting money, then relationship, and especially for the feminine energy, like females, whoever is watching my videos, for them I have special techniques and tips for attracting specific someone, or repairing, or having a beautiful relationship with their spouse. I have different techniques which I have learned from my coaches, which I want to share with you all. Okay, as of now I am making it as shorts only. If you want detailed reading, definitely I will do it. Please comment on that. I have many different short techniques that will definitely work for you all. Okay, and that's all. Then please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want different kinds of reading, you can post that also, or if you want my personal reading, you can send me a message. My email id is given in the description. You can send me emails. After that I can do the personal reading. Okay, then that's all. Without wasting much time, let's start the reading. We have three piles here. Pile number 1, this seashell. Pile 2, this cone seashell. Pile 3, this rock. Okay, so whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can take your time, meditate on the pile, choose accordingly. Okay, so let us start with the pile number 1. Okay, and before starting the reading, I would like to tell you also, I have something special today. I have written the cartomancy love messages from your person, that also we will see. So before starting the reading, I will start with the love messages, then I will go further. Okay, whoever chose this pile number 1, white seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what are the messages, love messages, that your person wants to give you. Okay, what are the messages that your person want to tell you from bottom of their heart? Actually there is no communication, no contact, so definitely they want to tell you. So let us start the reading with the cartomancy love messages from your person. Okay, so let me start. This is the new thing I want to introduce. Let us see what your person is thinking and feeling about you right now. What messages they want to pass on to you. Let us see. I am obsessed with you. I feel helpless. I want to be with you, but I can't. Wish I could rewind everything and do better this time. I feel guilty for what I have done. I am watching you on social media. I am looking at your pictures all day. So they are definitely obsessed with you. They are checking your pictures. Okay. So let me pull some cards. What is their next move or action towards my pile 1 people? What is their person's next move towards my pile 1 people or next action? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. So it is the Emperor. Hope you can see. Okay. So let me take out these love messages. I will pull some more cards for you to see what is their next action. See, I wanted to avoid but this marriage card came, 4 of wands, but I am not taking because still I am not ready. Again, see, I am checking, I am shuffling, but again and again this card is coming. So let me put it. Okay, so these 2 cards I'll put. No, let me shuffle. Spirits and angels, please give me some time to be ready. Okay, already we have 3 cards here. Knight of Cups, very nice. Okay, this is an action card. Marriage is there, then the Fool, and also we have the Justice. Bottom of the deck we have Justice. So let us see. Okay, today's setup is little small area, so I'm not able to adjust it properly. Okay, so let us continue. What I can see here, you might be dealing with your person might be Aries or Libra. I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see Aries very strongly here. Then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Okay, so whatever this person is thinking and feeling right now, you already know because of the love messages. But this person is very stubborn and they are a bit controlling or narcissistic type. So for some of you, you might be asking this question, what is their next move is for your wife or a husband, father of your children or husband. Okay, so you are asking about them, what is their next action. So this person till now they were very very stubborn and they were not able to take any action, or they were not able to come towards you, not able to communicate because they are very much prideful. They are in they were in their pride or ego, or they might be dealing with the legal battle. The Justice card is there, so might be they are going through some divorce matter or any other legal battle. So after that they thought that they will come back to you, and also this person might be in a very high position or a high cadre or very famous in the society. Everybody respects them. They are king of kings. Emperor means very powerful person. So this person, that is the reason they were not able to come towards you, because they are very much careful about their public image, social image, whatever image is there. So maybe they are thinking that if I come towards this person, my pile number 1, maybe society may not accept, or maybe their family or anybody, they might not accept. So these are all the many thoughts are there in their life. But they want, if they want, they can do anything, because they are in emperor energy. They are very very powerful energy. So if they want, they can do anything. Okay, so if 4 of wands indicates that it can be kind of a twin flame connection between you both. So you both are coming together, separating again, coming together, separating again. Maybe some fights or disagreements are there. This is not the first time that you are in no contact situation. Maybe earlier also you were in no communication situation. Okay, so it is kind of a back and forth energy for some of you, and for some of you already you are married to this person and now you are into separation. So that is the reason you are asking. That is also there. So definitely we can see here there are two action cards. One is Fool and one is Knight of Cups. Okay, so they want to marry you. If at all you are not married, if you are single and you are watching about your boyfriend or crush or somebody, lover, so definitely they have the good feelings, positive feelings to marry you. And in this connection they want to take a leap of faith. Okay, they want to take a risk, even though it is very difficult for them to take this decision. They want to take this decision because why? They cannot live without you, and they don't know what exactly will happen once they take this decision. So now they are into a full energy, so they want to, whatever it may be, whatever might happen, they want to take the decision. And also Knight of Cups is an action card, so definitely they want to come towards you, they want to express their love. So very very positive reading, very small reading, short reading, but still it is very very effective and positive. So definitely they will take action, they will take leap of faith, then they will come towards you very slowly. They are not coming very slowly, but still it is slow energy only, it is not wands or swords, but they are coming towards you. They are gathering all the courage, they are making step by step. Maybe they have the insecurity also, will you accept them or not, that is also might be the reason they are coming very very slowly, but still definitely they will come towards you. They are in a very masculine energy, that means action taking energy. Definitely they'll come towards you, they will communicate, they will confess their love towards you, they will propose you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is their next move or action towards you and this connection. So we will start the reading with the love messages, cartomancy love messages from your person, what they want to tell you. Okay, let me shuffle the cards. What I am working on finances for our better future. Okay, so your person is working hard on their finances or earning money. You are my true love and a soulmate. So they feel like you are their soulmate. You are my love, treasure, joy and happiness. So nice. I am daydreaming about you. You are my precious for me. You are so precious for me. Drama is over. Balance is restored in our connection. Very nice, beautiful messages. So now let me pull some more cards. What is their action towards my pile 2 people? What will be their next action or next move? Wheel of Fortune. So let me take out these love messages so that I can pull some more cards. Let us pull some more cards. What will be their next action, next move or action? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What will be their next move or action towards my pile 2 people? Already we have 3 cards here. I want only 3 cards. So bottom of the deck we see 10 of Wands. One is first card is 2 of Pentacles, Strength and Lovers. Okay, first of all let me tell you the signs here. I can see strongly Gemini and Leo, very strong here. I can see also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio and Leo, all the fixed signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. These are all the signs I can see here. So these signs may be your person's sun sign, moon sign, or a rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay, please take it however it resonates with you. So this person is not taking any action right now, so they are waiting for the right time, because Wheel of Fortune is there. So they are waiting for the right time, wheel to turn in their favor, because right now they have lot of burdens on their lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. They are because of all these, they walked away from this connection, because 10 of Wands is there. So it is almost like kind of completed, but still they are keeping the strength, like they are standing strong, because they feel that you are soulmates, you are chained together, because the Lovers card is there. So this is a divinely guided connection. Even though your person is walking away, or you both broke up, but this is divinely guided. And definitely Wheel of Fortune is there. It is very, very positive sign that you both will be reconciled again, reunite again. Then Two of Pentacles means definitely this person is juggling with two things or two people. So that is the reason they are not able to come towards you. Maybe they are working on their finances, as we got in the love messages. That is the reason this person is not able to come towards you, because first they want to be financially stable. As we can see this 10 of Wands, that means they have lot of expenditure or responsibilities on their shoulders. Maybe they are the what message I am getting here is, they are the first child of the family, and they have to take care of their family. Maybe they have to earn money for their family, and they are the only responsible person in the family. That is the reason they are working hard for money. That is why they are keeping up the strength, because they feel that this is divinely guided connection, and they love you so much because of the Lovers card. Definitely they love you so much, there is no doubt about it. So time will tell about this connection, because you Wheel of Fortune is there. So definitely in future, when the time comes, definitely you both will meet. But as of now, there is no action from this person. They are simply waiting for the right time. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this rock, this reading is for you. Let us see what is their next move or action towards you and this connection. But before starting the reading, we will see their messages for you, their love messages for you. These are the Cartomancy love messages. So let us see what your person is feeling and thinking about you right now, what messages they want to give to you. I made many mistakes. I am sorry. So this person wants to apologize to you. Seeing you happy is all that I want. I love you. Very nice. Some people don't want to see us together. Okay, it can be your family or their family or friends. So they don't like you to be together. I am obsessed with you. Okay, they can't forget you. They are looking at you from far. I feel guilty for what I have done. Okay, so definitely this person is feeling guilty, and they want to apologize to you, and they are obsessed with you. So let us pull some more cards for you. What is their next move or action? So we got the World card. So let me pull some more cards. So let me take out these cards first, so that I can pull more cards. What will be their next action for my pile 3 people? What will be their next action? What will be their next action for my pile 3 people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. The Tower, 4 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords. Bottom of the deck we have Death. Okay, for this file, let me tell you the signs first. Okay, the signs I can see here are Scorpio, then Aries, Aquarius, Taurus, Leo and Scorpio I can see. I can also see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. These signs I can see here. These signs may be your person's first, their sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay. So what I can see is this person is away from you, like maybe long distance relationship, maybe different state, city, or country. So world is completion actually. So they have completed cycle with you already, and also death is there. So this person, there is no positive signs in this pile actually, because they are saying sorry also. That means they have done with this connection, I'm sorry to say, because already it is ended. The tower, something happened very unexpectedly, drastically, and it was not a pleasant thing. It made your life upside down whenever this breakup happened with this person. Both of you has fallen from the tower, you can see in this picture. So it was not a pleasant breakup, and this person is wearing a mask. They are not saying their feelings to you. Then they completely shut down. Maybe they have blocked you also, they ghosted you, because they don't want to be vulnerable. They don't want to express their feelings, because they feel that this connection is already done, this is dead, and we cannot do anything. That kind of a message I'm getting here. They are completely blindfolded. They are stuck in something or with someone else, which is not allowing them to come towards you. They are not in a position to take any decision about this regarding this connection. Okay, because they are not in a right state of mind. They have lot of problems in their life. Eight of Swords is there, lot of threats, lot of issues in their life, lot of mental conflict I can see. Even death is also indicating that some health issues for this person. They have some health issues, definitely. So they are dealing with a lot of things in their life. Maybe they had some death in their family also. Maybe their mother or father or grandmother or grandfather, something happened in their life. Somebody died in their family. That is also one of the reason that they are not able to come towards you. But whichever way, they are feeling that this connection is done. But the world card also says that they see you as their world, and they have lot of passionate thoughts about you. They are attracted towards you. They want to give their world to you. At the same time, the world is already completed. This connection is done, ended. Even the same thing, almost similarly, the death card also says it is already dead. I mean, this connection can go nowhere. But there is a sun light here. So there may be a small hope. But the thing is, see, below the death, the Emperor. So this person is very prideful. They have lot of ego, lot of trust issues. So that is the reason they are not able to come forward in this connection. I cannot see there is any action in this connection. Maybe a rebirth will happen. Death and rebirth, they say, right? So it can happen, but it will take very, very long time, maybe years, not days or months. It will take many years for this person to come out of this, whatever the mental conflict they have. Even though they have the feelings towards you, but they are hiding, they are having a mask on their face. They are not telling their feelings. They are kind of an introvert. So that is also one of the thing. But they are into a definitely they are not happy. I can see they are having lot of issues in their life right now. They are dealing with that. So once everything is done, once they are completely free, then they can think about you and this connection. Okay. Sorry, pile number 3. That's all I have. Those are all the messages I'm getting. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.